Hi, this is Adriana, and this is another video about earthing, and this is about promoting the body's energy fuel, ATP. So this part, Dr. Stephen Sinatra, a cardiologist, keeps talking about the heart condition, and it says, as a metabolic cardiologist keenly interested in optimizing the energy production of the heart and body, earthing appears to offer yet another significant benefit as simple, safe, and effective energy booster. For years, he has recommended nutritional supplements such as coenzyme Q10, L-carnitine, D-ribose, and magnesium to elevate the bioenergetics of nutrient-starved heart cells and protect them from the ravages of aging, environmental toxins, stress, and relentless oxidation. He has written books and articles about these supplements he refers to as the awesome foursome. They provide critical raw materials typically deficient in patients. The nutritional approach has worked remarkably and consistently well in helping to restore the failing pumping capacity of sick hearts. Now, earthing provides another primary source for cellular restoration and cardiac rehabilitation. One likely venue for such bioelectrical boosting, he believes, is the mitochondria trillions of cells. The mitochondria are like microscopic power plants. There can be thousands of them in each cell. Depending on how much energy the cell has to provide, heart and kidney cells contain the most. Inside the mitochondria, a complex process goes on nonstop. Electrons are passed along like a football through an assembly line of enzymes that create a substance called adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the basic fuel that powers cells to function and repair themselves. By infusing the body with electrons, grounding may ensure an ample supply to mitochondria and may thus contribute to the production of ATP in all cells. It's taking him most of his cardiology career to learn that the heart is all about ATP and that effective healing treatment of any form of cardiovascular disease requires the restoration of the heart's ATP production. He has come to realize that sick hearts leak out and lose vital ATP. Cardiac conditions such as angina, heart failure, silent ischemia, and diastolic dysfunction can all cause an ATP deficit. Another aspect of cellular energy production is that the electrons transported through the assembly line are of a higher energy type, more like a hot potato than a football, and that this energy is transferred to ATP. Scientists say that these energized electrons are in an excited state. The electrons provided by Earth may be of that type, electrons brimming with higher energy. The Earth may thus provide us not only more electrons, but supercharged electrons at that. So there's another reason for earthing. So this is another video for SalesVision for the 100 video challenge. So just remember, if you have products to sell, and you have a business that you need to promote, you need to generate leads, you should be using the digital marketing software from SalesVision. You will find the link in the description below, and you can, with this software, you can generate leads online and customers. You don't need to bother friends and family for your prospects or leads, and just click on the link in the description below. You will find more information in that page. Thank you for watching. Bye.